Okay, there are 3 different towels that you need to fold. This is the smallest towel. It's now folded. This is the hand towel. Tag. Over. And over. Done. The big boy. Okay, we got the tag over here. Just make sure the tag's up. It doesn't really need to be like on that side necessarily. Fold it over once. Fold it over again. Not exactly perfect. There we go. Kind of come to the even in the middle. Make sure that these are lined up. And fold over. So that's all nice, crisp, and even right there. Then you fold. Again, making sure that this is even. And you fold again. Now you have your towel.